Welcome to Health Morph, where we explore the fascinating transformations happening inside your body. Today, we're diving into the hour-by-hour changes during intermittent fasting, the eating pattern that's revolutionized how we think about nutrition and health. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. Whether you're following the popular 16-8 method, the 5-2 approach, or alternate day fasting, your body undergoes remarkable changes during those fasting windows. Let's track this internal metamorphosis, starting from your last bite. Hour 0 to 4, the fed state. The clock starts ticking. You've just finished your meal. Your pancreas releases insulin, the hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from your bloodstream. Blood sugar rises, providing immediate energy for your body. Any excess glucose gets converted to glycogen, stored in your liver and muscles. If there's still surplus energy, your body converts it to fat, a process called lipogenesis. During these first few hours, your digestive system is hard at work breaking down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. This is your body's normal fed state, business as usual in a world where food is constant and abundant. Hour 4 to 8. Early transition. As hours pass, insulin levels begin their descent. Your body has processed most of your meal, and blood glucose starts dropping. This triggers your liver to release some of its stored glycogen, converting it back to glucose to maintain stable blood sugar. Around hour 6, you might experience your first hunger pangs, your body's habitual reminder that it's used to being fed again. But physiologically, you're far from starving. Your body is simply switching fuel sources, transitioning from readily available glucose to stored energy. Growth hormone secretion subtly increases, preparing your body for what's coming next. Hour 8 to 12, the glycogen depletion phase. Now your body becomes more serious about tapping into its reserves. Liver glycogen continues to be broken down as your primary fuel source. Fat oxidation, the process of burning fat for energy, begins to increase. Many fasters report enhanced mental clarity during this phase, which evolutionary biologists suggest may have helped our ancestors remain sharp while hunting or gathering on an empty stomach. Something else is happening too. Your cells begin a process called autophagy, where they identify damaged components and mark them for recycling. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning service, one that only gets activated when you're not constantly digesting food. Hour 12 to 16, the metabolic switch. This is where the magic happens. Around the 12-hour mark, your body executes what scientists call the metabolic switch, transitioning from glucose burning to fat burning mode. Liver glycogen stores are nearly depleted, and your body significantly increases fat oxidation. Your liver converts fatty acids into ketone bodies, which can fuel your brain and other organs. Growth hormone levels continue to rise, promoting muscle preservation and fat burning. Inflammation markers begin to decrease throughout your body, and autophagy accelerates. This metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between different fuel sources, may be one of the most important benefits of intermittent fasting. Hour 16 to 24, the fat-burning zone. By hour 16, the typical ending point for a 16-8 fast, your body has fully engaged its fat-burning machinery. Ketone production increases significantly, providing an efficient alternative fuel for your brain. Interestingly, many people report decreased hunger during this phase, despite being without food for many hours. Your body releases norepinephrine, which helps mobilize fat stores for energy use. Insulin sensitivity improves dramatically, meaning your cells become more responsive to insulin signals. This is crucial for metabolic health and may help explain why intermittent fasting shows promise for type 2 diabetes prevention and management. Autophagy reaches higher levels, removing cellular debris and potentially reducing your risk of neurodegenerative diseases and cancer. Hour 24 plus extended benefits. For those practicing extended fasting, the 24-plus hour mark brings even deeper ketosis and maximum autophagy benefits. Stem cell production increases, supporting cellular regeneration throughout your body. The gene expression changes that occur during extended fasting appear to promote longevity and disease resistance, according to emerging research. Breaking your fast. How you break your fast matters. Your body is primed for nutrient absorption, so choosing nutrient-dense whole foods rather than processed options gives you maximum benefit. A balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates helps maintain the metabolic advantages you've gained. Considerations. While intermittent fasting offers impressive benefits, it's not for everyone. Pregnant women, those with a history of eating disorders, people with certain medical conditions, and children should avoid fasting without medical supervision. Women may need modified fasting protocols, as female bodies can be more sensitive to caloric restriction. Always consult healthcare providers before starting any fasting regimen. Conclusion. The hour-by-hour transformation your body undergoes during intermittent fasting reveals why this ancient practice has modern scientific support. From improved metabolic health to cellular regeneration, the benefits extend far beyond weight management. Whether you're just starting with a 12-hour overnight fast or exploring longer fasting periods, understanding these internal changes helps you appreciate what's happening beneath the surface. This is Health Morph, illuminating the remarkable ways your body adapts and thrives. Subscribe for more evidence-based insights into your body's incredible transformation.